Well, hey everybody, welcome to Bible class today. Today we're going to look at a disciple that probably few of you even know. Now, if you did the Nearpod lesson yesterday, you should be a little bit familiar with him. He is Barnabas. Remember John Mark from yesterday's lesson? This is his cousin who also lived in Cyprus. And Barnabas is not even his real name, by the way. Barnabas is a nickname, and it has a special meaning. And I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm going to make you watch the video today because the video will give you his nickname, what it means, and a whole bunch of other stuff about Barnabas. Barnabas is a really interesting character. He traveled with Paul. He was there with Peter. Of course, he was John Mark's cousin. He saw all these miracles. He saw John preaching, and he saw all these miracles that took place when the early disciples would go from town to town talking about Jesus and the Holy Spirit with folks. And Barnabas had a real change in his life. Something happened to Barnabas that drastically changed him. And it involved the Holy Spirit from yesterday's lesson, right? Remember, the Holy Spirit is a person. It's not a thing. We call it the Holy Spirit, but that's not really accurate. It's a person. It's a him. It's a he, as Jesus says. This Holy Spirit, made a huge difference in Barnabas's life, and it totally transformed everything in his life. His patterns, his thinking, his actions, and I'm getting ahead of myself, so I don't want to give everything away. Watch the video. Speaking of that, I am following up on Nearpod, and I can see when you do the activities, when you do the matching, for instance, I can see how many tries it takes you to get all the answers. And I can also observe when you just give up. A couple of you, unfortunately, are only trying maybe 2 or 3 times, and there's 8 to 10 matching items. So I know if you don't try at least 10 times, you haven't even done them all. So if you don't try, or you try too many times, like it takes you 50 times to answer those 8 matching, I kind of know that you probably didn't watch the video. Please watch these videos. Please do these lessons. This is the only way I can get information to you. And this information is very important. I teach history and Bible, but I think Bible is the most important subject. I'm biased. But anyway, enjoy the lesson today. Focus on the way you think. How can you change the way you think? Just like Barnabas. All right? Do the lesson, do the matching, do the memory verse. In the devotion has to do with Barnabas as well today. All right? It kind of sets up the video. All right? Do all that, and I'll see you right back here.